Hello, good day. This is Vincent from Juzida Studios. Today we'll be talking about how you can update your plugin and your theme from your cPanel. That will be easy. Let's quickly dive into it. Okay, so today I'll be working with one of the sites I have here, which is VCOG Beauty. So let me just quickly type that in. This is the site. We need to update the theme because we just talked about new updates that WordPress brought, that is WordPress 5.5. It's really cool, and if you've not updated yours, you might want to check out the update or the video you can use to update your WordPress. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can check that out. Meanwhile, let's dive into this. Now, you see this site here, we might want to update it. You understand? There's no issues on it, but we need to do the normal updates that comes in every day. So let's just go over to the cPanel. Okay, now here's the cPanel. To get to the cPanel of your site, all you just need to do is you type in your URL of your site and you put the slash and then cPanel to it, and then it comes up. Once it comes up this way, you're expected to put in your username, the username that was given to you by your hosting company, and also your password. You understand? So in this case, my username is already here, so I'll just log in. So now our login was successful, so let's quickly go to our file manager and then so that we can update that. So click on our file manager. It's going to open a new tab, and then now we'll move straight to our public HTML folder, and then here we'll move to our WP content. So once you get to WP content, we want to update our plugins and some of our plugins and also the theme itself. So we will start with the plugin. So let me click, and now the plugin we want to update is our slide revolution, and also we want to update our JS composer, which is this. So let me just quickly upload the file since we're updating from the cPanel. So let me do that. Upload here, and then you click on the select file, or you drag it from your file explorer to this box. So whichever one you want to do. So in this case, I'm going to be clicking select file. Once you select your file, you locate where you have that file. So in this case, I have it in my WordPress files, and I have, or you just pick one. And then the second way you can as well import or like bring in your zip file is to do this. You go to your file manager, locate the file here, in this case the WordPress file, and then this one, all you just need to do is drag it to this box, and then it will upload. Ensure that your plugin is zipped. If it's not zipped, you can upload it. Just like you have your file in here. So if you want to send this file there, you have to zip it. You understand? If you don't zip it, you can't send it. So you always ensure your file is zipped. So once it shows you this green 100%, that means the upload is done. So now the tool is giving me this green line, so I'll just click on go back, and then it takes some time to load up. I have this at the bottom here, the two of them. So all I just have to do is right click and extract. Once you extract, since you have this program before now, it will just replace the old files. And then you right click on this JS and Composer and you extract. Now, once we're done with that, you might want to highlight the two of them, like highlight them, you click, highlight the two, and you delete permanently because we don't need that file there again. Now we're done with this update, so we'll say one level up. Now we'll go to our theme. Now here we'll have something like this is the file. I updated this before now, so I want to delete these other ones and delete permanently. But you might not have that on your own because you did not update from using the Cpanel before now. So now let me upload again. Now in this case, I'm going to click the select file, and yeah, I'm going to go to the Sina store and go to theme, and then here you're going to pick them one after the other. You go through that process again, you pick the next one. Updating from the Cpanel is not really compulsory, but sometimes when you are updating themes that are more than 20 MB is recommended, like you update it from this Cpanel, you understand? But for me, I just love updating from the Cpanel. It just makes my work easier, you understand? But mainly sometimes you might want to update it right from your WordPress dashboard, you understand what I'm saying? So I'll go back to this so that I can extract. I might want to reload this. Okay, so now this is it, and I'll right click to extract. You extract the two, it will replace the old files you have in here. And now I'll right click on this one and extract. Now you were seeing the previous time I modified this. So once I reload this, now you see the new date. You see now it was last modified like today. So in this case, I'm going to delete these files too. Delete and delete permanently. So now we just updated our theme and like some of our plugins. So we might want to close this and close this too. So now let's move to the website itself. So I'm going to put in vcock, and this is a site. There will be no changes will be seen, but let me go to the back end, which is vcock beauty wp. So this is the site. It's still coming up. So we've updated, nothing changed. It's still showing the same way it was showing. So of course it won't there won't be any difference, on the site. There will be no difference, but the essence of you updating your plugins and also your themes, so that it will be more secured and there will be no room for hackers, to penetrate into your site. So that's the essence of you updating. So I just log into this, and now I'm asked to update my contact form 7. So I'll just quickly do that now, and I'll also asked to update my WordPress database. I'll do that too. First of all, I have to go into this. Let me open this in a new tab, and why I do this. So now let's move to this other tab and update. So we just successfully updated this plugin now. So I'm going to close this tab and we're going to head back into this. So now I'll go back to our dashboard. And now this what really how you update the plugin from the Cpanel. So our site is good. That'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.